Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Saturday to everybody. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. And we have, not sure exactly where it's coming from. So we got a little small Amazon Prime time. Of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Check out the links down below and check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this out in no time. Let's see what it is. That's the cut. Here we go. Oh boy. Could this be? Oh wow. RGB smart LED floodlight. I'm probably gonna have to do this downstairs because it's too bright out here. Wow, that's pretty cool. iLUX. Give your lamp intelligence. So it's a smart app. You control the scenery, the colors. A lot of cool stuff. So I might make part 2 tonight. Sport hub, instant charge, dynamic mode. But yeah, we're gonna be outside tonight for this one. So part 2 will be nighttime. So we can take a look. But it's hot out here. It's like 95 degrees out here in Michigan right now. And decided to go outside today. Change scenery a little bit. Here we go. Do. Alright. Here we go. Here. Check them out, iLUX on Amazon Prime. And look at that. Nice. Hang. LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can buy a couple of these. Gotta plug it in, that's it. It's really simple. I think it's waterproof too. Weatherproof. Use these outside, I don't see why not. A lamp. Double check, make sure that these are let's see a bracket in here. Oh. This comes down, you take the Allen wrench right here. Unscrew that. And then boom. I want to break it. Oh, it is getting windy now. So that's what it looks like when the stand's on. iLUX. The cable. So I'm pretty sure this is waterproof. Let me double check though. Flood. Goes 40 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, 5,000 hours. Light color RGB. The beam angle is 120 degrees. And you can have multiple of these managed at the same time. So if you get 2 in the front, 2 in the back for your home, condo, boats even. Really cool. So like I said, part 2 will be coming up in about a few hours, but it'll be a combined video. So see you guys in a few. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with part 2 of the iLUX outside floodlight, and I just downloaded the app. There's going to be a barcode you're going to need to get. Here's this app. There we go. And activate. I don't think I have controller. Research. There we go. iLUX lamp. That's what it looks like. You guys can see out the wall. Oops, there's my flood. And let me get this running. There we go. It flashes 3 times. Yep. Okay, it looks like it's added. Check. There it goes again. Just gotta register it right about now. It's completed. There it is. You can also rename them. So if you get multiple ones, if you want the 2 for the back, say backyard, you could change it. Okay, there's a mood. I don't know if you guys can tell. Lighting might be a little bit. Shut it off. Turn it on. Then there's down here. Music, scene. Scene 1. Set the scene check. Install. Installing. But there's multiple colors I believe you could change it to. This is kind of cool for like Halloween coming up, Christmas time. Uh-oh. Battery's getting low, so hopefully this quick install. A really cool light. Nice and bright. See, there's the iLUX on that. Switch this around. And boom. Nice glow to it. Back up a little bit more so you can see. Oops. Really cool. Here's the app. Come on. Still installing. You could run an extension cord to it too, to make it longer. Make sure you got a weatherproof cord. Almost there. I don't think my Wi-Fi is messing up today, so should be done in a second. But really cool light. So thank you guys at iLUX for sending me this. And you guys could get one at a low cost. Pimp out your house a little bit. Make it look nice. Come on. I think it's moving. There's a lot of scenes to it. You could there we go. Back up a little bit more. Guys can get the full effect. They only sent me one, so I can't link up more than that right now. Still back out of it. Alright, there's an app. So maybe you could just do research on it. The search engine on your Apple. iLUX Media or iLUX Mesh. That's what it's called. Oh, there we go. Under the sea. Oh, wow. Nice. This is Aurora lights. Whoa. Whoa. My neighbors would think that I'm the devil with that one. That was pretty cool. Nice. Satan lives here. Whoa. I like that blue. And there's Sakura. That's pretty cool. Rose. Oh yeah, if you had like 2 of them, that would be looking nice. And then sunset. Like I said, color. Oh, you could do it like, man. Awesome. Yeah, under the sea. Trippy. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have this up in my front yard. I'm just gonna run an extension cord. Just gotta make sure it's weatherproof. And then you can also do it this style. Got the green. Oh. And you can change the brightness level. Have it all the way up. Here's dynamic. 7 colors. Oh, it switches. This is awesome. It's like a little light show. You can do adjust the speed like a party time. Adjust it down. There you go. 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. So I mean, it doesn't really cause a distraction, so I don't think the neighbors will get mad. But definitely pretty cool. Something different to get for your home. And there's a select single color. Oh, flashing though. I like the 7 color, it's pretty cool. But also you could go back to color. Go back to this. Oh, bug. Bug. Just got attacked by a mosquito. Awesome stuff. Alright, YouTubers, that's about it. So, iLUX lamp. I can always rename it front lamp. And look at the backyard lamp going. Awesome stuff. Check them out, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a great weekend. And see you guys soon. See ya.